Hello everybody, it's Paul here from Jap Auto Agent. Today we're going to do a video demonstration of a 2009 Toyota Estima. This is an Aires model, and as you can see, this has got a very unusual modification, actually done by Toyota themselves. It's got this mechanical lift-up seat for wheelchair access into the front passenger's area of the vehicle. So this is actually not so common to find these in Japan. There's not as many as people think there are. Most of these come in the second row seats by the side sliding door. So if anybody's interested in this vehicle, get in direct contact with me. The numbers are on the video. Qualifying wheelchair users or amputees can apply for duty and VAT relief on the port of entry here in the UK, which makes a massive saving on the on-the-road price. So follow the video through. Mark is now going to go around the vehicle, give a demonstration. The numbers are on the video. Get in contact and I'll take you through the process. Thank you very much. Bye bye.
Okay, hello and greetings again from Japan. Today we have a Toyota Estima. It's the 2009 June, so it's on a 09 plate. It's the 2.4 petrol engine, and it's a well cab, which means it has, in this case, it has a lift up front passenger seat, which is not so common. Most of them tend to be in the middle row. Anyway, so that's one reason why we thought it was a car worth marketing to the UK, even though the mileage is a little high. It's 71,000 miles, but it's mechanically very good. The car is nice and clean. Yeah, it's still a very nice car. So anyway, let's take a look at it. It's, as I say, it's all clean. It is now. Actually, we had both bumpers painted. There were scratches on bumper corners. We thought it would be nice to make them all nice and clean. Has standard alloys with good radials. It has the Rinker mirrors and the usual window visors. As you can see, the door panel moldings are all clean. It has easy access, so you can walk up to the car with the key in your pocket, and it opens. Maybe it was open. Anyway, well, it does work. And okay, all the wheels are the same. They're all clean with good, usable radial tires. Again, the rear bumper was painted due to scratches on the edges of the corners, so we thought it best to paint it. And nice and clean in the back. Interior is really nice. Positively a non-smoked-in car. Good clean headlining. It has straps for a wheelchair. And of course, as you probably know, those rear seats disappear into the floor completely if you take this board out. If you want to see how the different configurations of the car, please refer to the Dropbox file with about 60 photographs on it, showing also, of course, showing details of the underneath of the car, which is also very clean. Okay. Nothing here. Another nice wheel. No no scratches along here. I think there is. No, it's very clean. It's got easy access on both doors, both front doors. Okay. (2009) on the 09 plate. Very clean. This one only has a single power door, which is on the I'm going to demonstrate that now. Which is on the near side. It's an 8-seater model. Which is nice. A lot of them are 7-seaters. It has ISOFIX points for child seats, and we'll just demonstrate the seat. Comes with the remote, and oh, sorry, you have to push the red button first. A safety measure. Oh, sorry, to hold the button down too. And of course it can be operated by the person sitting in the seat. The buttons here. And also positioning the seat once in the car, the backrest and the forwards and backwards. Okay, up again. Oh yeah, it's a nicer arrangement if it's your spouse or an older child, to be able to have them sitting in the front. Okay, so that's that. And let's say it has easy access on the doors, and again, very nice, unstained, unworn seats. How people keep them incredibly clean, I don't know. I use my cars, and I don't do this kind of mileage, but even by 50 or 60,000 kilometers, my cars show some kind of wear. Oops. Okay. Controls here for the door and the windows. As you can see, the steering wheel is perfect. All right. Let's start up. Here we go. And I can see all the warning lights are off. If you can see the mileage there. Trying to get it into view. No. Okay, well, whatever. It's 114,000. And it has front cameras, as you can see. So it's kind of useful. Camera's on the very front of the nose, and rear cameras with guidance. Okay. And we've got air conditioning controls. Put it on. It's rather warm today. And all the glove boxes. Perfect. No problems there. Manuals. A convenient glove box here. So, cruise control here. So, definitely not smoked in. Front drink holder. Yeah, just again, very clean. Front headlining, perfectly clean. And audio controls on the steering wheel. And I think that's about it for the interior. A little glove box down here. And we can take a look at the engine. Gear knob, as you would expect in a new car. So, yeah, just very nice and fresh interior. Okay, let's take a look at the engine. Driver door card. These can get very worn. This one's fine. Okay. Here's the engine compartment. And take a look at the auction sheet. It was from a Toyota auction, and so they graded it 3.5, but that was purely cosmetic. I mean, they did, I would say, for want of any other word, they do tend to crucify their cars, especially their own cars, and which is a good thing in a way, but it can help keep the cars a bit cheaper. So, but in fact, a lot of the time it's purely cosmetic, a little bit of paint and a little bit of TLC on the interior, and the car is, as you can see with this one, is very nice and positively a grade 4. If this went back to an auction, it would be a grade 4 for sure. Heisei 21, which translates to 2009 June, 114,900 kilometers, which translates to 71,000 miles. 072, it's the later pearl white, which is a better paint, a better color than the previous color, so that's a positive. Power slide door, cruise control, debut in the auction, first time in the auction. I'm not sure if this is a one owner or not, but yeah, could be. It just describes it has a lift-up seat, and there's a lot of little things about the interior of the car that nothing. It said the door card was dirty, which it was, and it's now clean. The seats were were dirty. They're all perfectly clean. Yeah, as you can see from the auction sheet, yeah, the bumper corners all had A scratches, and but the rest of the body was perfectly fine. Anyway, it's sometimes that's what they need. They just need a little bit of cosmetic care, and the car is absolutely fine. A lot of if the car is traded in at a dealer, the dealers really aren't interested, so they'll just take the car and put it in the auction as is, the big dealers. So whereas a smaller dealer would probably do what we would do and fix it all up and then put it back in, and they will sell for a lot more because of that. And as I say, this is quite a rare car because it has the lift-up seat next to the driver, and there aren't a lot of them. There aren't a lot of them around. So anyway, for somebody who's needs something like that, we would recommend this car. It's having a lot of life left in it, and it's very, very presentable and nice to drive. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and if anybody's interested, please contact Paul. Bye for now.